Oh, little Caitlin. Oh, listen to those. She probably does.
I feel better. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. That one. Oh my gosh. Is she beautiful? She's
So beautiful.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh, she's just barely over 7 pounds.
So 7 pounds.
7. Oh.
3 ounces. Oh.
She's cute.
She is beautiful.
First diaper change right there.
Perfect. Looks great. Hat on yet?
Así eras tú, ronquita.
Good little baby. What do you think, Dubby? Is she cute?
She's so cute. She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
I'm just cleaning up real quick.
Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous baby. Oh, yeah. This is so beautiful.
Solo colcha.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
She looks like an Eskimo baby.
Does she have a? She has a little cleft in her chin. Look.
Does
Look.
she? Oh, she does.
She has
Yeah.
a cleft.
Oh, look at those double cheeks. Look at your double chin. Look at that double chin. Yo creo que se parece a mí. I think she looks like me.
Jody's the one that's in here. I'm just called out to have her come in. So, sorry, honey.
Oh, wait a minute.
Well, I hear you are Dr. Lawrence's only patients now.
And I wonder if everybody else is delivered.
I had Mother Chris the other night.
Oh, did you?
She was so cute.
You haven't.
She goes, I don't have another delivery until Krista. Goes, you know Krista? I'm like, yeah, I know Krista.
Isn't that
See your
crazy?
tummy.
It's getting big.
How many weeks now?
baby.
30.
Hey,
Oh my
baby.
gosh, you are so tiny.
Okay, it's bath time. Not very happy about that. I think you're tired.
Yeah, she's probably not gonna like this. Aw.
Caitlin?
Caitlin. Yep.
Hello. Hi there. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I had a long day.
Yes.
There wasn't that many pushes.
Yeah.
That's
6
great.
pushes.
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Oh, ouch. Oh, my sweet
She looks
baby.
great.
Oh,
Named her
Is she
Caitlin.
tired enough? She's
Caitlin.
awake?
Wow, yeah, she looks like Jocelyn. Her little cheeks like
Yeah. That. Does she look okay? Does she look
Jocelyn.
great?
Perfect.
Oh,
Yeah?
Good, you can keep looking at her.
Oh, your thumb is